Once upon a time, there was a king, Dashrath of Ayodhya. He had four brave sons, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. Due to some series of events, Dashrath and his son Ramani sent to exile for 14 years. And he leaves Ayodhya with his beautiful wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. A puppet story unfolds in the forest, where one day Sita held eyes upon a beautiful deer. She found it most beautiful creature she has ever seen. She asked his husband Ram to catch the deer for her. The deer was sent by Ravana, the evil king of Lanka, who had 20 hands and 10 heads. Deer rule Ram and take away from his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, so that Ravana could kidnap Sita and take away to his kingdom Lanka. When Ram was chasing the deer, it imitated the voice of Ram. Deer cried out, "Sita! Sita!" for help. Lakshman and Sita both heard the voice and got frightened. Lakshman left Sita to save his brother, but before leaving, he drew a line outside the house and asked her to not cross this line no matter whoever come over the door. This line is called Lakshman Rekha, drew by Lakshman for Sita's safety. Ravana came over there as he was just waiting for this opportunity. Ravan disguised as a saint to borrow something. He asked Sita to come close. Soon, Sita realized that he is not a holy man, but Ravana, the evil king. Ravana kidnapped Sita and took her away to his kingdom Lanka. Ravana kept Sita as a prisoner in his beautiful garden Ashokvatika and gave her 12 months to decide if she wanted to leave Ram and marry him. Back to the forest. Ram and Lakshman did not find Sita anywhere. They met Hanuman and Sugriv in the forest during the search of Sita. Ram chased upon the monkey army of Sugriv. Hanuman was sent to see Sita, and soon Hanuman showed a piece of Sita's jewelry to Ram, given by Sita, in hope somehow it reached to Ram and gave him message. Hanuman tells Sita that Ram is coming with monkey army to save her. Monkey army built a rock bridge on the sea to reach Lanka. It is said that monkey army picked up huge boulders and drove Ram on it and create a floating bridge on the sea. After reaching Lanka, there was a fierce battle between the army of Ravana and monkeys. During battle, but all his weapons blown away by the Rama. Every time Ram cut one of